Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, what can AI teach us now about marketing our cleaning business? I'm sure there's a lot of amazing things it's going to do in the future. It's doing amazing things now. But one interesting thing it's doing is pointing out maybe what we need to be careful of not including. Isn't it interesting how you hear folks say, that doesn't look right. That looks like an AI generated image, or that sounds like an answer that AI generated. It doesn't sound quite right. So the lesson for us is whether it be your website, as far as how it looks, as far as what you include, the images you put on there, the messages you put on, it doesn't help when our websites, the messages and images look more stock, more AI, when they could look more authentic. I just bought a lawnmower and I went to a website that had a picture of the facility, the staff. It just seemed like such a friendly, great place and so authentic. I really believed in it and I bought a lawnmower there. Same thing here with cleaning services, right? If you can come across with the right images and messages that don't seem like canned AI ones, you can maybe stand a better chance of connecting with real customers, real prospects, with a real message. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.